Okay, thank you for joining us for a lesson on multiple step equations. You can use different steps. So here, let's see, I'm going to multiply this by 3. So that would be 25 plus x equals, let's see, that would equal to 36. I multiplied by the denominator. In this case, it was 3 to get rid of the denominator. Now I'm going to subtract 25 on both sides to get x by itself. So x is equal to 11. And that is the answer. Okay, first I'm going to multiply the problem to get rid of the denominator. So in this case, I'm going to multiply it by 4 on both sides. So that 4 cancels out the bottom 4, so that's 16 minus y is equal to 18 times 4 is 72. Now I see that I have a 16, so I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides, doing the subtraction property, keeping it on both sides to keep it balanced. So the 16 minus 16 cancels, I've got negative y is equal to 56. But this is negative y, so I'm going to make everything opposite. Y is equal to the opposite, negative 56. Because I want to know what y is, I don't care what negative y is. Great. Okay, let's look at a word problem we have to make into an algebraic problem and then solve it first. So 1/4 of a number plus 3 is negative 64. So let's see, 1/4, let's write down 1/4 of usually means multiply a number, so that's of a number is x plus 3, so that's plus, going to write down a plus sign, and it's plus 3 is, the is equal negative 64. So let's rewrite that. That's not negative, 1/4 x plus 3 is equal to negative 64. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the subtraction property to get rid of the plus 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, so I can get the x by itself, or start to get it by itself. So 1/4 x is equal to, let's see, that's negative 67. Now I multiply by the denominator, or what I'm doing is I'm flipping the fraction upside down. Flipped upside, I get 4/1, or just 4. I multiply 4 on both sides. So that 4 cancels that 4, so that's 1x is equal to negative 67 times 4 is, negative times a positive is a negative, so I know it's a negative number, and it's negative 268. Great. And that is my answer. A type of multi-step problem is called consecutive integers. Consecutive integers are simply just 2, 3, 4, or just integers in order. And we tell them that's x plus 1, x1 plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. Consecutive even integers is 4, 6, 8, all the even numbers in an order. Consecutive odd integers is 5, 7, 9, 10. So let's see, the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 18. What are they? Well, let's see, I'm going to go x plus, that's the first integer, plus the next one is x plus 1. That's the second consecutive integer. Well, we're talking about 3 of them, so it's x plus 2 is the next consecutive integer. That's equal to 18. So I can solve this multi-step equation to find out what the first integer is. Let's see. 3x add the plus 3 is equal to 18. So I'm going to use a subtraction property to get rid of that plus 3. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, that would be 3x. That is 15, and they cancel out. So now I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So that's x is equal to 5. The first integer is 5. Let's see, so if the first integer is 5, the next one must be 6, and then 7. That's 3 consecutive integers that add to 18. The sum of 3 consecutive even integers is 24. What are they? Let's see. So if x is the first integer, the consecutive even is going to be, the next even number is 2 numbers up, so that's x plus 2. The next number is x plus 4. It's 4 numbers up from the first one. Let's see, so is equal to 24. Add all the x's, that's 3x. 2 and 4 is 6, so 3x plus 6 is equal to 24. Of course, I subtract 6 from both sides, so that's 3x. Draw a line, so that's cancel out, is equal to 18. Divide by 3, so that's x is equal to 6. So the first number is 6, because they're even, then it goes 8 and 10. That's 3 consecutive even integers that add to 24. Great, thank you for joining us for our lesson on solving multi-step equations. Now go get your homework done.